Hi guys, Evan here with Mainstay. I want to do a quick video on what you can get in Indianapolis. I know I get questions all the time of, what's possible? What's this amount in rehab look like? What's this type of property look like? I wanted to kind of walk through something we just bought and we're flipping in one of the Indianapolis suburbs here. So I wanted to show you what we just bought for and how far rehab's going to get us, what we're going to sell it for when it's all said and done. And this is going to be a flip for us, but it could also serve as a really high-end rental for those of you looking for more of a high class B, low class A product. So this is (11132) Bear Hollow Drive, and I'll put this in the comments. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, roughly 2,300 square feet. It's got a full basement, unfinished, but full basement in the bottom. And we got this thing with a 3-car garage, brick facade, and we picked this thing up for $70,000. You can see there's a reason we got it for $70,000. If you look up there, there was a fire in that mechanical room. So we got a little bit of some fire damage. We got to replace the roof and some other stuff, and you'll see it when we walk through, but that's the reason we got it so cheap. Normally these things will go for 110, 120. We actually got an offer at 95 to take this thing as is and make some quick money. We decided to punt on that opportunity. So, because there's a lot of upside in this thing, and I'll show you why. So you can smell it when you walk in here. I know you can't smell it from your computer screen, but it smells like smoke in here. You can see where some of the debris is from cleaning the shit out. Really not horrible at all. Cosmetic. We're going to keep these cabinets, just clean them, and then we're going to replace the countertops here. Do granite or something, but obviously all of our flooring's going to go. We're going to do flooring here. It's all going to go. Here's the basement. Add a little bit of water in her. But we're doing new floors, new paint, damn near new everything. You can see where it gets up here, and some of this shit is just torched. So here's our mechanical room, was kind of our attic, kind of blown up. Bedroom 1, I'm wearing flip-flops for some reason, so this is a horrible idea. Second bathroom. But it really is a sweet little house and a sweet little area. So we're doing this. We're not keeping the purple, unfortunately. That's got to go as well. But we're essentially just cleaning all this stuff out, starting from scratch. So this is going to be all brand new up here. There's our mechanical room. There's where our tarp is. So some of these trusses are going to have to be repaired. We're going to tear off the entire roof, do a brand new roof. Some of this insulation is going to get thrown back up here. And obviously brand new carpet with hardwoods and stuff downstairs. So actually, let's see the master. Here's your master. So what you're looking at here, like I said, we bought the thing for $70. We are doing new floors, new paint, new roof, new appliances in the kitchen, new countertops, a little touchy stuff like this new door that's all banged up, new trim. Let's see what else. Just normal stuff. I mean, nothing crazy. We're not blowing out walls or adding rooms or anything nuts. But we're just touching stuff up, making it look like a house again. That's going to cost us $45,000 roughly. So we're going to be all in 70 plus 45. So we're going to be all in for, what's that math? 115. And then the ARV on this property, actually one right next door, I'll show you on the way out. I sold for 180. About a couple weeks ago. And then on the market for like 6 or 7 days. So super short days on market, super high margin, 110 to 180 obviously. So we're looking at roughly 60, 70 in spread. including a contingency, and it's gonna be a pretty sweet little deal for us. But we manage stuff like this all the time for our clients, whether we're doing construction or not. But we come across these deals regularly. Folks who don't want to mess with that in their backyard and just want to get out of Dodge, and this is exactly what we did. So feel free to leave questions, comments below, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of this home, as I want to document. This is a case study. Today is demo day and the first day of our where's my contractor at? There's his truck back there. Anyway, today's demo day, day number 1 of the project, and I'm going to keep you guys updated as we go through here. So questions, comments, concerns below, and I will get them addressed as we progress.